Tired of manually making your Klarna payments every month? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Enabling autopay is the best way to ensure your Klarna payments are always on time, protecting your credit and giving you peace of mind. The process is simple. Open the Klarna app and tap on the Payments tab. Here you'll see your upcoming and active purchases. Select the specific purchase you want to set up for automatic payments. Look for an option that says, Enable Autopay, Set up Autopay, or something similar. Once you toggle this on, Klarna will automatically deduct the payment amount from your chosen payment method on the due date. You'll receive a notification before it happens. A crucial pro tip: always ensure the debit or credit card linked to your Klarna account has sufficient funds and is up to date. A failed automatic payment could result in late fees and temporarily suspend your ability to use Klarna. And just like that, you've put your Klarna payments on autopilot. Setting up automatic payments is the ultimate tool for financial convenience. Do you prefer the control of manual payments or the convenience of autopay? Let me know in the comments below. To speed up your shopping, subscribe for our next video on how to enable one-click checkout with Klarna. Thanks for watching.